In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give pause in ElevenLabs. If you're exploring the capabilities of ElevenLabs and want your text-to-speech creations to sound more natural and expressive, it's crucial to know how to integrate pauses effectively. Let's walk through this together, ensuring that your audio sounds just right. First, you'll want to open your web browser. This step may seem straightforward, but it's the essential starting point that gets everything in motion. Make sure your browser is up to date to ensure the best performance from ElevenLabs. Once your browser is open, head over to the ElevenLabs login page. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in using your credentials. If not, you'll need to create an account first. But for today, we'll assume you're ready to go with your login details. Now, with your ElevenLabs dashboard in front of you, the next thing to focus on is the text-to-speech feature. One important aspect to keep in mind is to ensure you are using the 11v3 voice design. This particular version is specifically tailored for expressive voices, capturing the nuances and variations in speech that make your audio come alive. This selection is crucial because not every voice option can handle pauses as naturally or effectively. To introduce pauses into your speech, think of these pauses as the punctuation in a conversation. They can convey hesitation, emphasis, or a natural break in dialogue. You can effortlessly create these pauses by introducing specific characters into your text. For example, adding hyphens, backslashes, or ellipses can cue the system to insert a pause. These symbols work as indicators for the system to momentarily stop, allowing for a more human-like interaction in speech flow. Once you've adjusted your text to include these pauses, it's time to bring your script to life by clicking on the Generate Speech button. This command sets the system to work, synthesizing your text into a vocal output, complete with the pauses you've incorporated. After a moment, you'll be listening to your creation, and you can assess whether the pacing and pausing fit the mood and message you want to convey. Finally, once you're pleased with the audio and the pauses are effectively enhancing your speech synthesis, you have options to either share or download your creation. This allows for easy distribution or storage, so you can use your bespoke audio in presentations, videos, or any other projects that require natural-sounding narration. And that's it. By following these steps, you can add professional, well-timed pauses to your text-to-speech projects in ElevenLabs, making them sound remarkably natural and expressive. Thanks for joining in, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful for your creative endeavors.